Hey guys, what's going on? Back to you with another video. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and testing of a ELK siren. It's a two-tone siren, it's the ELK SS30. You can install these on car alarms and house alarms. And personally, I like to install them on car alarms because make it loud. Like ever since I started installing like car alarms, most of the time if I got like a nice vehicle or like an old school vehicle, something nice, I would put one of these loud sirens on. And like the newer vehicles that's hard to find space in, I just put like a normal siren. Or if it's just like a little work car, but most of the time, if it's a nice vehicle, got the space up under the hood, I'll use one of these sirens. It's weatherproof, and like it says, for interior and exterior use. Been using them for a long time. I used to use a, what's the name of that brand? I can't think of it now, but I'll think of it in the video. This is a ELK siren, but they almost do all of the same thing. And this is one of the big ones. I'm finna get into it in a minute. Oh, Vox, that's the name of the siren. Vox. Yep. This one right here is an ELK siren. This one of the big ones too. They do make them in the smaller sirens. They do make the smaller white ones that'll fit on like newer vehicles with hard space. But personally, I like the bigger ones because I think they say that it's the same loudness, but I doubt it. Being bigger with a bigger case, project a louder sound to me. So, but yeah. This is it right here. You see on the back, it tell you all the specs. It'll tell you the red is for the yelp, the yellow is for the steady, and the white is the common. So basically, your white is the ground. That white gonna stay on the ground. You're gonna switch up your red or yellow for different sounds. The yellow is the red is like a yelp sound, like a police sound. And then the yellow is like a steady beeping sound. So we're going to test it on this battery right here. I got a Panasonic battery. 12-volt battery to test it on. And I want you guys to cover your ears because this is pretty loud. So what we're going to do, I'm going to face the siren away from me. And I'm not going to even unwind these wires right here. Might have to. Oh, hold on, give me 1 second. All right, now as you can see, let me push it back. So this white wire right here is gonna go to this ground. I'm just gonna touch it to the ground. Let me sit this down. Remember, I'm gonna face it away from me because I don't want to pierce my eardrum. You're gonna touch this red right here to the positive on the battery. And then, I'm sorry, you want to take the white to, let's do the negative first, because the other side we're going to switch up with different sounds. That's going to stay grounded. That white is going to stay ground. That's not going to go nowhere. You're going to need that regardless. And these is the ones that you switch up. Now, if you want the steady sound like the police siren, you're going to go with the red wire right here. Now, I'm warning you, this is going to be loud, so if you got on headphones or like surround sound, something loud, you might want to turn down your volume. But here we go. And for the steady sound, you can touch the yellow to the positive. Yeah, that's pretty loud. Even though I had the siren facing away from me, it's still kind of ear piercing. Yowzers. And basically, that's what you want to have. If you got like a house alarm or a car alarm, you want to tell, like, even if you get somebody installed at like a shop, you want to see if they got any of these. And if they don't have none, see, can you bring in your own to pick it up? Like I said, some vehicles can't fit them on there. But it's good to try to get them put on there. See that? The back is the instructions and everything. It may basically tell you what to do. Easy to install. Limited lifetime warranty. Interior exterior use, easy to mount, hardware included. Pre-wire for easy installation, dual tone, steady, and yep. It'll tell you right there how the output is 122 decibels. Tell you the size, the dimensions, and everything. So, and these sirens right now, it's kind of hard to find. Like back they used to be cheaper, but now I guess it's up there. So they're about 50 or 60 bucks. I mean, maybe you can get them online for cheaper, but if you try to get them like out of sound shop or somewhere up there, they're like 60, 65 bucks. But it's definitely worth getting it though. It's definitely worth getting it. And when you make sure when you mount your siren in the car, like in the hood, you want to mount it facing down like that, so it'll the sound will project off the ground. It'll make it pretty much louder, and then plus it'll keep any fluid and moisture from getting into it. Everything go down. Cause I seen people before mount their siren like this up under the car, cause it fit, then it filled over water and end up damaging the siren. But yeah, that's the ELK siren, guys, the ELK SS30, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video, and turn on that notification bell for future videos. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.
Perfect.